How to use gift card on JD Sports Online. Now, if you would like to use a gift card on JD Sports Online, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. What you want to do is you can simply open up JD Sports app or website, and you have to use your gift card during the checkout process or your payment details page. So normally you would be able to redeem from account page, but now we do not have it. So just add the products that you want to buy to your card or your checkout details, right? So I'll just go ahead and then make sure to add a couple of products right here by clicking on add to bag option right there as well. So once I select add to bag, I can enter the amount and whatever else it is right there. And once I've done that, I'll be able to go to my bag page. Then when I go to my bag, then I'll be able to go ahead and then basically add some of those products. During the checkout page or the payment info, you will be able to choose a payment method. So there you simply have to basically choose your gift card as a payment method. So let's go to checkout right here. So when we go to checkout, enter all your shipping details, delivery method, and so on, hit the next option. Then once done, go to this payment dealing, and here you can see add a gift card. So tap on add a gift card, enter your card number and the PIN number, and then just tap on next. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully redeemed. This way you can use gift card on JD Sports. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.